In this video, we will learn the sound made when the letters S and H are put together. These are the letters S and H. S and H are two different letters. When they are put together, they make only one sound. Sh. Can you say sh? Very good. Let's say it together. Sh, sh, sh. Now let's learn some words with the letters SH that make the sh sound. Ship, sh, sh, ship. She, sh, sh, she. Fish, sh, sh, fish. Now it's your turn to practice the words. Ship, ship. She, she. Fish, fish. Let's chant. Shane likes ships. She travels to the beach. She collects many shells. She builds sand castles. She sees a fish swimming in a dish. Now let's sing again. Shane likes ships. She travels to the beach. She collects many shells. She builds sand castles. She sees a fish swimming in a dish. Okay, thank you for chanting with me today. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.